Hi, in this video, I have some stationery and travelers company notebook products that I have purchased in Tokyo. So I'll show you one by one because I need to open them to repack them for my next flight anyway. So let's get to it. This first bag was from Tasutaya bookstore. I wasn't planning to go shop there, but once I walked in, I knew I was in trouble. I did buy quite a few stuff. I think you probably have seen this before. It's quite a popular product. And then I purchased this paper cover for Midori notebook because this is quite hard to find in United States. This is a sewing machine stamp. My mom used to be a seamstress, so this kind of reminded me of her. We were trying to figure out what this is. This is actually a book cover. I think it was made with some kind of paper material. I can't help myself. Hopefully I can use it with some notebooks I have. Fold it up that way. Another book cover. Based on the price point, I think this is likely made with faux leather. I brought a few stuff for my friends when I visit him in Taiwan, so I thought this gift bag would be perfect for little things. You probably can tell by looking at this bag. This one was from Travelers Company Notebook, their Tokyo Station location. This is their limited edition stickers. Let's open it up. So this is a kind of a dust bag, cotton dust bag for their travelers notebook. And then the leather coaster. The keychain. And this is so cute. I couldn't resist. And some of the stickers I bought there. More stickers. I probably purchased too much. Oh well. And the postcard. Yeah, pocket notebook refill. I bought two of these so that if I use one, I can still have another one for backup. This one, it comes with insert that has pocket to collect stuff. So I thought I would use it to collect ephemerals that I found on this trip. And then this probably is a bookmark. The brass tag. I also bought one of this pouch. Let's take a look. I just love how the cotton fabric feels. It's a simple pouch with the front as another pocket. It's a good combination of leather and canvas. And then one more bag for this video. This one was from Starbucks Reserve Roastery, their Tokyo location. Before I show you what I bought at Starbucks, I also went to Travelers Factory location. Since I love to take pictures, so I thought this would be appropriate. a grid insert. I think I have one I haven't used at home, but I decided to buy another one. This was the first time I see this insert. It's a stem note. I guess they designed this specifically for stem. Maybe I should open one to take a look. Nothing out of ordinary. Papers feel pretty smooth. I would say kind of slightly thicker than their regular insert, but not as thick as their watercolor paper. They also gave me this, and this picture looked like it was taken at their Sento, which is their traditional bathhouse. Interesting. Now let's look at what I bought at Starbucks Reserve. First is Kakimori fountain pen ink. It's in brown color. I probably will test it at some point. Let me know if you want to see how the ink looks. And then of course I have to get this one. I like the material of the fabric. It's kind of some kind of raw cotton that didn't get processed much. You can still kind of see bits and pieces. It's not perfectly pure in color, which is kind of more interesting. Coffee Journey. And both of these, you can only get it at their Starbucks location. I get a camel color one. Originally, I was thinking to get the passport size, but the price was quite similar and I prefer the regular size, so I decided to get another regular size. And then let's look at a few small items I purchased there. Their stickers looks like this could be for their cherry blossom seasons, the Sakura version. And this copper tag. This is a brass one, cute coffee cup. And then another passport size insert. And then another passport size insert. The cover is so pretty with all the coffee design. And this is the brass clip. This is the second one I have. And I also bought a roll of washi tape from Starbucks. I know this is a quick video, so if you have some specific item you want me to show you more or review it, please let me know and I'll get to it when I get back to the United States. Thanks for watching my video, and hopefully I have more haul video coming since this is just the beginning of my trip.